Corporation of the City of Panjim has got approval for Phase 3 of Panjim Municipal Market. Mayor Rohit Monserrate and Deputy Mayor visited the market on Tuesday to see to upgradation, maintenance of the market and to see if inspectors are doing their work.
Upgradation. To do an inspection, basic cleanliness, single-use plastic, that kind of thing.
Upgradation.
Yeah, upgradation of the market also. Now, yes, they have accorded us approval for Phase 3. Now, the vendors here also have had some issues about drainage, so we want to address all of those issues. And we just basically come to check on our staff to see if they're actually doing their jobs well and all. So we've raised particular issues. We found that our supervisors are not doing a good enough job, so we came to correct all of that. So now we'll be doing inspections every day around the city to make sure that supervisors are doing their job, to make sure that work is going on properly. That is the basic.
फर्स्ट टाइम हे केला काय डेली अशें येवन पळयतात?
ना आमी आतां मेयर आनी कमिशनर येयलेले सो दे वॉन्ट टू इन्वेस्ट सम मनी इन आमच्या मार्केटान पयशे घालपाक जाय. सो कितें करपाचें आनी कितें घालपाचें फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ती वयली पोत्री पोन्नी जाल्यार ती पोंवता ती करता आमी. आनी फ्रूट मार्केट आहा न्हू तांकां थिंगासरूय जागे सारके ना ते रेनोवेट करता, तेंचे जागे सारके करून दिता, ते पळोवपाक येयलोलो. सो मेन टायम ते फूल मार्केटाक चॅक केले, ते फीश मार्केटूय पळयले, तेकाय पयशे घातलेले. ते ड्रेनेज बा सारकी ना न्हू, फाटीं लास्ट टर्मान सांगलेलें हांवें तेंकां ड्रेनेज करया म्हणून. सो दे हॅव मनी ना, सो ते पळोवपाक गेले खंय कितें करपाचें आनी कितें. दॅट्स इट, आनी कांय ना.
Sagun Gowde for Herald TV.